Hello, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Joe Capra, and I'm going to give you a preview of some of the homes here at the Seawalk of Ocean Breeze. And I'm standing outside the model home, but before we go ahead and walk through the model, I just want to kind of show you the scenery around here. We are very close to Jensen Beach, and just on the other side of that wall is a walking path to the Publix. You can also walk to Mulligan's. There's 17 different restaurants. You could even walk to Taco Tiki. And I'll give you an idea how big the community is, but I don't know if you can see this right now. We're actually pretty high up compared to the rest of Ocean Breeze and Jensen Beach, 22 feet above sea level. Much of it still needs to be developed, but before everything happened with the coronavirus, they were really cranking out production, which is the reason why I'm here today. There is quite a bit of inventory right now, and I'm going to show you some of the red tag items that they are trying to sell very quickly and some of the incentives that they have going on. I'm not supposed to mention the name of the builder, but I will show you what the homes look like. And I will just pretend like I'm a customer walking in and giving you an idea of what you see when you come in to the model home. And you walk in, and here we have the ladies working here. Introduce yourselves. So if you don't mind, would you walk me through as if I were a customer?
You want me to give you a quick overview?
That would be great.
Okay, great.
Good job, Claudia.
Howdy.
Good job, Claudia.
Welcome. We're right here
Okay.
at Seawalk. We have 143 homes. Right now, we're concentrating on about this, our first phase, and our second phase will be next year. We have a gated community that we maintain your front and your backyard,
Okay.
and it's $235 a month is your maintenance. We have a heated pool with a cabana. We're city sidewalk, city water, city sewer. We have sidewalks and street lights throughout the community. Wonderful walking community. Publix is right out your back door with about 17 different restaurants. We have 3 floor plans. The model that I'm standing in now is our largest. It's a 4-bedroom Cali. And next door we have a 3-bedroom Ari. We also have another 4-bedroom, which is, I believe you'll be going through. It's the Neuville model. But anyways.
I'm looking forward to those. I'm hoping to get as many as I can. I want to show everyone the red tag homes that you have, and some of the inventory that you already have that's ready to move into. Would you mind walking through the model here? So,
obviously this is the garage, and we're going to start at the front door.
so you've got a smart home wired.
Yes,
I see
this is all, every home comes with the smart home camera, your lock, everything is monitored from your smartphone.
Okay.
And this model is the Cali, and it has the American package, meaning the tile floor and the cabinetry is that way. We have 2 bedrooms up in the front. We also have 2 large closets here.
Okay.
And this would be your 3rd bedroom that has a full closet,
Okay.
but could be used as a den or an office.
Like a flex room. Okay. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay, sounds good.
Break a leg.
This is our open concept kitchen. This is a quartz countertop,
Okay.
and this is our coffee colored cabinets. But we have a very large,
Oh, very nice whirlpool. So, are all of them whirlpool?
large pantry.
Are all of them Whirlpool appliances?
Yes, Whirlpool. These are the upgraded gallery Whirlpools.
Okay.
And but this opens up to you, has a nice dining and a breakfast bar here, or snack, whatever you want. Open up to your great room.
I like these fans.
Every home, the average lot size is 50 by 120. So it has a nice,
Enough room for a pool.
and we can fit a pool in our backyards.
This is great. The storm coming in. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay.
But you'll notice the smart home feature here that has a motion detector, and your AC is also smart, where you can monitor it from your phone.
Very cool.
And the master bedroom here.
And the American package comes with carpet?
Yes,
Okay.
we do have the option if people want tile everywhere, so that would be an option. And nice double sinks here with a large walk-in closet.
Oh yeah, this closet's huge. All right. Well, Claudia, what I think I'm going to do is sign off here in just a second,
Okay.
and I'm going to start heading down to the red tag items.
Awesome,
Yeah,
I really
and
appreciate you being here, and we just tell all your, the red tags are at their lowest price of the year, and including, we'll have 20,000 in incentives or closing costs, so.
and
don't
and the
want a
military
deal?
special.
Come on down.
How about the military special?
And we have the manager special also, which are the lowest price of the year.
Wasn't there a military incentive of was it $4,000 military incentive?
For the military, yes.
Yes,
we have
military
an
first.
assistant.
Yes. Okay.
So that would be 24,000.
All right, and add that on to the military and the move special that I run, which is totally separate from the builder special. So that is an additional incentive. I have to talk to you about that, but that's a rebate program that I do in addition to.
Awesome.
All right. Well, thank you, Claudia. I appreciate that. I want to let everyone know that if you can, just stand by for about 15 minutes or shortly after 1 o'clock. I'll be starting over at the red tag items. I'm going to try to get through as many homes as I can, but I would really prefer to have comments, questions, requests to see certain views, private showings. You know, just let me know, mention something in the comments, and I'll interact with you. And I'll see you in just a few minutes. Thanks.